Best use cases for Nano Banana AI. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Nano Banana, which is Google's AI tool, and the different ways that you can utilize this platform. So let's jump right in. Starting off with how can you use Nano Banana? Well, there are two primary ways where you can get started. You can sign up directly on nanobanana.ai and you can subscribe to a subscription plan or purchase credits. We will be discussing pricing at the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Or you can also get started with Google AI Studio. So you can just head on over to the Google AI Studio and use a few free prompts. So what this basically allows you to do is that your first or second images that you're generating are generated for free. You get around 11 free tokens, and then after that you have to subscribe. Now I'm going to be using the direct Nano Banana editor, and I'm just going to click on Start Editing. This is what the interface looks like. You have two options. You can either directly enter up to 9 reference images and start editing, or you can even generate your own images. So let's jump into the different use cases that you can use this for. Starting off with basic image editing. So I'll show you guys some examples we have created for this. Basic image editing means that if you have an image, the image initially looks like something else and you want to change the color of the dress. So I have actually changed the color of the dresses in these two images. Then if we take a look at this image over here, I changed the original image where she was holding a lipstick and instead placed a gua sha in her hand. Then you guys can see I created this image. This image was created by uploading this as my reference photo, and I asked the AI image editor or the Nano Banana editor to place this woman in a coffee shop, and you can see that the face is highly accurate. It looks like the exact same person. Then after that, we have also asked it to change the interior. This originally had a pink interior and it modernized it like so. So this is a lot of our basic image editing, but this is something where we have, added a bit more detail. So in this, I asked it to provide a architectural reference model, which I can then create into a 3D reference, and then I converted this into a 3D render. Now, how can you utilize this by yourself? Well, first off, let's create something a bit different because till now we've only seen examples of some basic image editing. So if you have a group of people and you want to create a movie poster, you can add that by simply uploading the title or the image. So I'm going to go into Google Images and I'm going to show you guys step by step how I'm going to do that. So I want to search for girl group, and then after that, I'm just going to be taking, let's say I want to take this image over here. I'm going to copy and save this image, and you guys can see this is going to be our original image or reference image. Then I'm going to upload this into Nano Banana. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask it to create a movie poster for a movie called Thimble, which is a period drama. Use these, or the girls should be dressed in old Victorian-like clothing. Make the movie poster old-timey. And now, once I've described the type of movie poster that I want to create and I've uploaded the women that I want to be using, if you have a reference image for your movie poster, you can also add that. You're just going to click on generate. And there are some generation tips that are included. So the more details you provide, the better image you're going to get. If you add more reference images, then you're also going to have better results as well. And another really amazing use case for Nano Banana is how quick it is. So because this is such a quick and easy to use AI model, you can use this for editing as well. And this is the image it has created. So Thimble coming soon. I'm going to open this image in a brand new tab to show you guys what exactly this looks like. Coming soon, these are the women, and this was my original image. So I'm gonna open these two images and show you guys what they look like. These were my original 4 people, and this is the image it has created. It's very accurate, and you guys can see a story of ambition, stitches, and secrets. And it even included these embroidery hoops. She's holding a needle, they're holding something, and it's very accurate accurate to the type of, movie poster that I was thinking about. So this is another way where we can utilize this. And another really amazing thing is because it's so quick and easy to use, you can also use this whenever you want to do something like a quick Photoshop edit. You can also use this to remove people and objects. So I'm going to search for engagements. So I'm going to search for public engagement proposal. And oftentimes where people are getting engaged, they are in public. And what you want to do is maybe remove all the other people in the background. And this often happens where you're getting engaged in a really popular place or a really popular city, and you don't want all the other people to be in the background. So I'm going to open and save this image, and I want to remove all the people in the background from here. So I'm going to go and remove this, add my reference image over here, and then I can ask it to remove all the people in the background. And then I'm just going to click on generate now. And now this can remove all the people and the background. And not only that, but you can also restore and colorize any old photos and improve quality of old photos. So if you have any old time vintage photos of a grandparent and you're trying to get those photos to look a bit better, you can also do that with the Nano Banana, and it does a really great job. It's really refreshing on how accurate it can be without compromising the quality. So okay, I forgot to specify the people. So you guys can see, because no one was focused in on this image, it did not accurately read what type of edit I was asking it. So I would have to specify to remove everyone other than the 2 people that are getting proposed or that are getting engaged. I should have specified that. So it is better to be a bit more detailed. Now you can create custom fonts with this as well. You can also use this for creating thumbnails, and you can also bring your drawings to reality by converting your drawings into hyper-realistic images. So what price does this come at? Well, Nano Banana actually comes at a really decent price. If you're looking to purchase just credits, your credit plans start at $30, and these credits never expire, so you can get 200 credits for $30. Then you have subscriptions. Their monthly subscriptions start at $15 and go up to $80, and they're currently offering a 50% discount on their Pro and Max plans, so you can subscribe to those if you want to have a lot of savings and get a lot of credits. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.